3, 2, 1. The next, cheek to ear pull, 45 seconds. Make hooks with your index fingers. Place them between the corners of your mouth and nose. Pull the skin toward your temples. Mouth corner to ear pull, 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Make hooks with your index fingers. Place them at the corners of your mouth. Pull the skin from the corners of your mouth up to your temples. Next, chin to ear massage, 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Make hooks with your index fingers. Place your index fingers and thumbs on your chin. Push the skin along your jawline from your chin to your ears. Exercise, side to side turns, 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Turn your head to the left, and hold it for a few seconds. Then turn your head to the right, and also hold it for a few seconds. Repeat the exercise.